आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of Samachar Agency of India on Wednesday 3rd June 2020. Now you are here the news from Preeti Bhosle. The number of infected patients of corona COVID-19 in the country has increased 1,01,497 and the number of active patients are 1,03,2 and the number those who were died 5,815. Now, state-wise information about the highest number of Maharashtra COVID-19, the 17,013 and active patients are 37,543 and those who were recovered 30,108 and those who were died the 2,362. In the Tamil Nadu, 23,495 are the active patients and those who are recovered are 13,117 and died patients are the 184. In Delhi, total number of 20,834 and active patients are 11,565 and recovered patients are 8,746 and those who were died is 523. In the Gujarat, having the total number of the COVID-19 patients are the 17,200 and active patients are 5,507 and recovered patients are 10,780 and died patients are 1,663. In the Rajasthan, having the total number of COVID patients are the 8,980, active patients are 2,742 and recovered patients are 6,014 and who were died are the 198. Madhya Pradesh also having the total number 823 and the active patients are 2,922 and recovered patients are 5,003 and who died are the patients 350. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asserted that the coronavirus may have swallowed the economy, but India will get its growth back through talent and technology. The Prime Minister affirmed his vision, making the country self-reliant and back to the trajectory of growth through talent, inclusion, investment, and infrastructure and innovation. Inaugurating the annual session of the Confederation of Indian Industry (CCI) through the video conferencing, making the 125th years of CCI since inception. Prime Minister shared his vision on them of getting growth back. The Prime Minister stressed on measures to be brought in to cut down the imports of products which can easily manufacture in the country. He highlighted three sectors, namely furniture, air conditioner and leather industry, as a priority sector where the import can be reduced through the concentrate efforts. He highlighted the government had to take through the step of fight coronavirus and also take the step to take care of economy. The Prime Minister mentioned the pioneering efforts of the industry in the coming up with the huge domestic PPE manufacture in a short span of 3 months. He assured the industry member of every possible government support to achieve the shared vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The union government has announced a number of measures so that the migrants do not suffer due to the pandemic. To help them recover, a package of 1,01,500 crore has been allotted under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteed Scheme. Daily wages under this scheme at a national level has been increased from 182 rupees to 202 rupees. Applicant can be registered on nrega.nic IN or contact the local Gram Panchayat for employment opportunities. The Cyber Crime Unit of Delhi Police has burst a fraud behind a fake website dumping innocent people financially in the name of Ayushman Yojana job. The government had earlier on the 10th of May flagged the citizen to be aware of such false websites. The gang of cheat the defrauding the thousand in the name of job registration in Ayushman Yojana offer job of ward boy, nurse, lab assistant, pharmacist and Ayush Mitra in 6 states. They took money for registration. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today launched a Delhi Corona app for people to give accurate information about beds, ventilator and availability of cities hospitals. He urged the people to download the app. Addressing media briefing in New Delhi today, Mr. Kejriwal said this app will be download 2 times in a day. He said a web page has also been created www.delhifightscorona.in to provide the latest status of the vacant beds in hospitals. He said if people are denied beds for the COVID-19 patient, people may call at a helpline number 1031. In Madhya Pradesh, with the coronavirus induced lockdown resulting in pendency of over 7,000 Rights of Information RTI appeal, State Information Commission has started conducting virtual hearing in case through the video calls. A copy of the commission's decision is sent to applicant and official concerned through the WhatsApp for action. In some good news coming from Mizoram, the medical fraternity at Jawaharlal Nehru Institution of Medical Sciences, IMPHAL, has treated a month-old baby from COVID infection. A 23rd-day-old baby, along with his mother, who had returned from the Chennai, was found COVID-19 positive on 20th of May and admitted at an isolation facility of JN IMS Hospital of IMPHAL for further treatment. The baby was found negative on 35th day of last night. His mother was also found negative and both of them will be sent home. As per our sources, the deep depression formed in Eastern Arabian Sea is moved northernwards and it's located at 670 kilometers from Surat at present. It is expected to hit the Such Gujarat coastal by tomorrow. Heavy downpour accompanied by the gusty winds expected in the coastal district of the South Gujarat in 2 days. And also the depression over the east central Arabian Sea moved northernwards with a speed of 11 km per hour during the past 6 hours, intensified into a deep depression and lay center at 5:30 a.m. over east central Arabian Sea. Coast Guard ship and aircraft crafts continue to advise and relay weather warning to the fishermen and merchant vessels out of sea off coast of Maharashtra, Goa and Gujarat. Beside weather cautioning, the Coast Guard ships are also You were listening the national level audio bulletin of Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on Wednesday 3rd June 2020. We will again take this bulletin on Thursday 4th June. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. We will be present again. Till then, goodbye.
आज हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कैसे करेंगे। सबसे पहले आप अपने मोबाइल पर ब्राउज़र को खोलिए या तो यूट्यूब को खोलिए, यूट्यूब आपके पास होगा। यूट्यूब पे आप उसके बाद सर्च बटन दबाइए, सर्च में आप लिखिए LIMTYKHARE, इस तरह आप ये स्पेलिंग लिखिए। इसके बाद ये खुला दिखेगा आपको, ये देखिए आप, ये आपको खुला दिख रहा है। इसमें आप देखिए लाल रंग से सब्सक्राइब आपको जो दिख रहा है, सामने दिख रहा है, इसको आप दबाएंगे। जैसे ही आप दबाते हैं उसके बाद इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद इसके दाएं कोने की तरफ जाइए, दाएं कोने में आप देखिए पर्सनलाइज, नन और ऑल आपको दिख रहा है। आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आपका काम हो जाएगा। इसके बाद आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर जितने भी वीडियोस डलेंगे वे तुरंत ही आपको मिल जाएंगे। इस तरह से आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की वेबसाइट जो है, समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का चैनल, इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और आपको एक के बाद एक जितने भी वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको मिलना चालू हो जाएंगे। इस तरह से आप ज़रूरी जानकारियाँ, ज़रूरी ख़बरों, ज़रूरी अन्य चीज़ों से वंचित नहीं रह पाएंगे। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का यूट्यूब चैनल आप सब्सक्राइब करें और पल पल की जानकारियाँ आपको लगातार मिलती रहेंगी।